Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media just to realize you're on a very dangerous path? A trip down memory lane with someone who you've had a relationship with, but it shifted, changed, or ended. This can be a dangerous moment. What do you do? Well, I'm Barbara Zinda with Better Together Life Coaching. And in my coaching practice as a certified life coach, I help a lot of people with shifting relationships. Empty nesters is one, or with relationships that have ended. It can be jarring. Why is it so jarring when this happens? And what do you do when you start really reminiscing and going down the memory lane, dangerous path? Well, first, why does it happen? Your brain likes it when things are consistent, when there are routines and traditions. Your brain's happy. It's like putting your car in cruise control. You just go. Brain loves that. So when it changes, your brain's like, what are we doing? And then also, when a relationship changes, there are some feelings of grief that come in. You're grieving the loss, you're grieving what you used to have. And it's easy to stay there. But my clients call this, they say it's like it's taking up so much space in my mind, in my heart, in my emotions that even though I have time to do other things, I find myself stuck. So, why does that happen to me? Grieving is something that you have to be strategic about. You have to let go of some things to make room for other things. So, I'm going to actually talk about this in a live event, and you are 100% invited. It's going to happen on Friday, December 11th at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we're going to dig into three key techniques that you can use if you're dealing with a shifting relationship. We'll talk through how to rewire your brain to stop it from going down that dangerous highway, right? So rewiring, stopping, and shifting. We'll talk about that. That's the biggest mindset gift I could give a client, is teaching you how to do this. Secondly, we're going to talk about decluttering some things that don't serve you anymore now that this relationship has changed. And then finally, we're going to dig into how to fill up your cup with things that do make you feel wonderful and amazing and full of abundance and joy and gratitude. So it's a mindset shift, decluttering, and then bringing in the things you want to bring into your life. If you want to attend, please find information on my website. It's bettertogetherlifecoaching.fun. Love to have you there. And again, I'm Barbara Zinda. We're so much better together. Have a great day, everyone.